The constellation I'll be talking about today is called Cygnus. To find Cygnus, we can look to Ursa Major, or the Big Dipper, and we can specifically look to the heel of the Big Dipper. This helps guide us to the east, where we can locate the brightest star in the constellation, which is Deneb. Locating Cygnus is the easiest during the summer around midnight. Let's look at some of the brightest stars in Cygnus. The brightest is Deneb, which is the alpha star, followed by Alberio, which is the beta star, Sadir, the gamma star, Phawaris, the delta star, and finally Aljana, the epsilon star. Let's look at some of the deep sky objects within Cygnus. Viewing the swan is straight up to the northeast of the swan's head lays the Fireworks Galaxy, which is a face-on intermediate spiral galaxy. To the northwest of the head is the North American Nebula, which is an emission nebula that takes the shape of North America. This is where it gets its name. To the west of the head, next to the North American Nebula, is the Pelican Nebula, which gets its name because of the resemblance of a pelican. To the south of the swan's head, towards the tail, is Cygnus X1, a galactic X-ray source in the constellation Cygnus, which was the first such source widely accepted to be a black hole. There are many, many stories about how Cygnus came to be. Most of them involve Leda, the wife of a Spartan king, and Zeus. But the story I will tell is more entertaining and is different. It begins with two gods who were racing their chariots in space. The friends were very competitive, and as a result, were not paying attention to where they were heading until they realized that they were very, very close to the sun. The sun melted their chariots, causing them to fall to earth. One of them was spared because some trees broke his fall, while the other landed in a river, which knocked him unconscious. The god who fell through the trees wanted to save his friend, but was unable to swim, so he asked Zeus to turn him into a swan so he could dive into the river and save his friend. Zeus granted his wish and admired his bravery. The swan saved the friend's life, and after the swan died, Zeus placed the swan, Cygnus, in the sky to honor him for his courage and as a reminder of friendship.